Yes, record session started. Yeah, Nagaraj, tell me about you. What's your qualification and when did you complete your highest degree? Currently, what are you doing? Tell me.
Yeah, I have finished my MCA
Okay, when?
in Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu,
Okay, when did you complete your highest degree? MCA?
uh, 2013 batch, June
2013.
2000, yeah, 2013.
Oh, great. After that, do you have any work experience? Have you worked anywhere?
Yeah, I have experience for 1.5 years,
Okay.
nearly 1.5 years.
O-
I'm doing testing. It's a small company from Coimbatore.
Oh, great. Okay, do you know manual testing?
Manual testing and automatic testing. So,
Okay, you know manual testing already?
yeah, already I know.
Okay, you want only selenium?
Ah, yes.
Oh, you want only selenium, right?
Yes, really only.
Okay, okay. Yeah. First of all, already you know manual testing. What do you mean by manual testing? Can you tell me about manual testing? What do you mean by manual testing?
Hello.
Yeah. What do you mean by manual testing?
Uh, manual testing.
Everything we will do manually. That's why that is called manual testing. Everything we will do manually. With our efforts we are doing. That's why that is called manual testing. Okay.
Okay.
Manual testing also, there are two ways of testing. One is manual testing, other one is automation testing. Manual testing means everything we will do manually with our efforts, with the human efforts we are doing. That's why that is called manual testing. Already, manual testing existed in the market. Why automation came into the market?
It's
Already,
useful for regression.
regression testing. Yeah,
Yeah.
that means in manual testing we have some drawbacks. Manual testing we have some drawbacks. What are the drawbacks in manual testing? Can you guess it?
Uh, most of the scenarios are missing sometimes.
Okay,
After that,
okay. I will tell you.
yeah,
First point, more number of people required.
yes.
If it is manual testing, more number of people required and time
Mm.
consuming. It will take more time.
And also we not finish the particular time.
Yes, manual testing it will take more time, so time consuming and
Yes.
no accuracy. That means less accuracy. Manually we are doing tiredness and we
Okay.
cannot repeat the task again and again. We cannot repeat the task again and again and simultaneous actions not possible. These are the main drawbacks in manual testing. These are the
Mm.
main drawbacks in manual testing. What do you mean by automation testing?
We will through execute the script.
Hmm. Yes, I will tell you. Automation testing also one of the type of testing in which all the drawbacks in manual testing are addressed properly and provide speed and accuracy to the existing testing process. Automation also one of the type of testing in which all the drawbacks in manual testing are addressed properly and provide speed and accuracy to the existing testing process. So automation, yeah, automation also one of the type of testing in which all the drawbacks in manual testing are addressed properly and provide speed and accuracy to the existing testing process. But wherever you go, 80 to 90% of people still they are depending upon manual process. Why they are depending upon manual process? Wherever you go, not only in Hyderabad, wherever you go, UK, USA, Germany, Ireland, New Zealand, South Africa, and Australia. Wherever you go, all the companies still they are depending upon manual process. Why they are depending upon manual process?
Um, most of the scenarios are covered, I think.
Yeah. In automation also we have some drawbacks. What are the drawbacks in automation? First point, professionals required.
Yes.
Professionals required.
Uh,
Second point, tools are very expensive. Third point, we cannot automate all the areas using tools also. We can't automate all the areas using tools also. This is the main
Could
drawback.
you please,
Yeah,
could you please tell me one of the scenario? We can't automate the
all the
all
areas using tools also. Using Selenium, we can't enter any single letter into Google search. Using Selenium,
okay.
we can't enter any single letter. Okay, if you do manually, if you want to search for anything, always we will use Google search and we will enter something. But using
Okay.
Selenium, we can't enter single letter also. That is the we can't automate. Example, small example, Google search
Okay.
regularly daily we will use, but using Selenium we can't enter any single letter into Google search. That is the best example. Okay,
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
that is very enough. Why? Because every day daily we will use Google search for something information. So using Selenium we can't enter single letter into Google search box. That is more than enough.
Okay.
That's the reason using tools also we can't automate all the areas. That's the reason most of the people, most of the companies nowadays still they are depending upon manual process only.
Okay. Okay.
But you need to remember here one thing: automation is not a replacement of manual testing. This is the continuation part of manual testing. Automation is not a replacement of manual testing. This is the continuation part of manual testing. Manual testing is nothing but it is a basic process. Automation is nothing but it is a advanced process. Manual testing is nothing but it is a basic process. Automation is nothing but it is a advanced process. So wherever you go, you need to start your career with manual testing only. If it is any project, we need to start manually only. After application getting stability, we can implement automation. So whenever you are facing the interview, that time they will ask you like, yeah, Raj, you are saying manual is a basic process, automation is a advanced process. You are saying, when can you implement automation testing exactly? Then they will ask you, what will you say? Where can you implement automation testing? Whenever the application is stable condition, then only we can implement automation testing. Okay, whenever the application is stable condition means after total application developing, after total application developing, then only that application getting stability, then we can implement automation testing. If it is manual
Okay.
testing, individually we can do. If it is manual testing, part wise or individually we can do. If it is automation testing, whenever the application is stable condition, then only we can implement automation testing. Okay,
Yeah. Okay.
next, automation introduction. Yeah, automation tool is nothing but it is an assistant of test engineer. Yeah, automation tool is nothing but it is an assistant of test engineer. Yeah, automation tool is nothing but it is an assistant of test engineer. If you want to work with any automation tool, first of all, we should know five basic things. If you want any assistant, for example, I have one assistant, he is from Orissa. So first of all, I need to communicate. I need to communicate. Then only he can do work. Otherwise, he can sit. Simply, he can sit. So, just like my assistant is Selenium. Just like my assistant is Selenium. I want to work with Selenium. If I want to work with Selenium, first of all, I should know five basic things. First point, how to give the instructions. Second point, how to give the information. Third point, how to use its recording facility. Fourth point, how to use its playback facility. How to analyzing the results. If you know these things, you can work with any automation tool. Okay. First of all, my assistant is Selenium. First of all, I want to give the instructions. If I want to give the instructions, so for example, I am from Hyderabad. I know Telugu, but Selenium don't know Telugu. I know Hindi. Selenium don't know Hindi. I know English. Selenium don't know English. Selenium knows Java, Perl, Python, C Sharp, Ruby. So first of all, we should learn any of the scripting language. Then only we can give the instructions and information. So and also we need to know how to keep the record mode, and after keeping the record mode, how to analyzing the how to playback facility, and how to analyzing the result. If you know these things, you can work with any automation tool, not only Selenium, QTP, Quality Center, Load Runner, whatever it is. First of all, we should know five basic things. Why? Because Selenium is a tool. Okay, based on your instructions, it will do work. Otherwise, simply it will sit. It will not do individually. So, first of all, we need to give the instructions and information. Then only it will work. Then only it will do work. So, first of all, if you want to work with Selenium, you should know how to give the instructions, how to give the information, how to use its recording facility, how to use its playback facility, how to analyzing the results. In market, we have number of tools. First one, functional tools. First, they released Windrunner. Windrunner is out of date right now. After that, they released RFT, Rational Functional Tool. After that, they released QTP. After that, Selenium. What are the main differences between QTP and Selenium? Now we will discuss. Both are functional tools only. Both are functional tools. First of all, we should know what are the main differences between QTP and Selenium. QTP is a functional tool and Selenium also functional tool. QTP developed by Mercury people.
Mercury means?
Mercury, that company name is Mercury.
Okay, okay.
In 1994, after that HP people take over that one. Selenium introduced by Jason Huggins in 2004. Using QTP, we can work with normal window-based applications as well as web applications. Selenium only for web applications. QTP is totally commercial tool. If you want QTP license, we need to pay 3 to 5 lakhs rupees. If it is Selenium, open source tool. Selenium is a open source
Open
tool.
source.
Okay, and
Okay.
in QTP we will use only VB scripting language. Here we can use Java,
C sharp,
Perl,
Python.
Python, C Sharp, Ruby. Any of the scripting language we can use. If it is QTP, we can work with only IE browser. Here we can work with IE,
Opera,
Chrome,
Firefox.
Firefox, anyone. Okay. In QTP we have recording and playback facility. In Selenium WebDriver we don't have. We don't have recording facility in mainly Selenium WebDriver. In QTP we have recording and playback facility. In Selenium WebDriver we have only playback facility. We don't have any recording facility. You need to remember this word. These are the main differences between QTP and Selenium. Got it, Naraj?
Yeah, got it.
Do you know any doubts? Do you have any doubts?
Yeah, no, no, no.
Right. Next, Selenium introduction. Next, Selenium introduction.
Okay, okay.
Selenium. Selenium is nothing but it is a software. Selenium is nothing but it is a software which contains some set of programs. Selenium is nothing but it is a software which contains some set of programs. So simply we can say Selenium is nothing but it is a software which contains some set of programs. Selenium having four components. One is Selenium IDE. Second one is Selenium RC. Next, Selenium WebDriver. Next, Selenium Grid. Selenium having four components: Selenium IDE, Selenium RC, Selenium WebDriver, and Selenium Grid. First, we will discuss about Selenium IDE. IDE means Integrated Development Environment. IDE means Integrated Development Environment. Integrated Development Environment. What do you mean by Selenium IDE? Same definition. Selenium IDE is nothing but it is a software which contains some set of programs. So simply we can say Selenium IDE is nothing but it is a software which contains some set of programs. So what do you mean by Selenium IDE? Selenium IDE is nothing but it is a software which contains some set of programs. This set of programs we need to install into one user interface. We need to configure or install into one user interface. We need to install into one user interface. In the place of user interface, we are using only Selenium IDE only. No need to install somewhere. Why? Because Selenium IDE is a user interface. Why we need to have user interface? These are the Selenium IDEs. These are the programs. If you you can't work with programs. So compulsory we need to have one user interface. So in the place of user interface, we are using IDE only. So IDE is a user interface. What are the main advantages of IDE? Main advantages. We have recording and playback facility. We have recording and playback facility. Recording and playback facility. And execution will be super fast. Execution will be super fast. Execution will be super fast. These are the advantages. Disadvantages. We can work with only Firefox browser. Using Selenium IDE, we can work with only Firefox browser. And we can perform very limited testing. Very limited testing. So using Selenium IDE, we can perform very limited testing. That's the reason none of the people not using Selenium IDE nowadays. Selenium IDE getting deprecated. Why? Because using Selenium IDE, we can perform very limited testing. That's the reason none of the people, none of the companies not encouraging Selenium IDE nowadays. Selenium IDE getting deprecated. Selenium IDE getting deprecated. So, but I will teach you Selenium IDE also. But just to, you should know what are the main differences between Selenium WebDriver and Selenium IDE. That's the reason I will teach you Selenium IDE. No need, still I will teach you. Why? Because using Selenium IDE, we can perform very limited testing. That's the reason none of the people, none of the companies not encouraging Selenium IDE nowadays. So next, Selenium RC. Next, Selenium RC. Selenium RC. RC means remote control. RC means RC means remote control. RC means remote control. So Selenium RC is nothing but it is a software which contains some set of programs. These set of programs we need to configure into one user interface. Why? Because if we want to interact with these programs, compulsory we need to have one user interface. In the place of user interface, we are using Eclipse. We are using Eclipse. Eclipse is nothing but it is a powerful editor to write the Java programs. Eclipse is nothing but it is a powerful editor to write the Java programs. 90% of people they are using, 99% of people they are using in the place of user interface Eclipse only. Why? Because Eclipse is a powerful editor to write the Java programs. But whenever you want to work with the Selenium RC, we need to start the server manually and we need to stop the server manually. Whenever you want to work with Selenium RC, we need to start the server manually and we need to stop the server manually. Using Selenium RC also, we can perform very limited testing. Using Selenium RC also, we can perform very limited testing. So that's the reason none of the people not using Selenium RC also. None of the people not using Selenium RC also. Okay. After that, they made Selenium WebDriver. After that, they made Selenium WebDriver. Selenium WebDriver. After that, they made Selenium WebDriver. What do you mean by Selenium WebDriver? Selenium WebDriver is nothing but it is a software which contains some Java programs. These Java programs we need to configure or install into one user interface. In the place of user interface, we are using Eclipse only. Eclipse is nothing but it is a powerful editor to write the Java programs. Sir, both Selenium RC and Selenium WebDriver, both setups the same now. Why most of the people they are encouraging Selenium WebDriver? Yeah, in Selenium RC we have one drawback, that is whenever you want to work with Selenium RC, we need to start the server manually and we need to stop the server manually. That is the one of the drawback. Leave it. What are the main differences between Selenium WebDriver and Selenium RC? Yeah, whenever you are comparing with Selenium RC, Selenium WebDriver having some powerful set of programs. So that's the reason most of the people, most of the companies nowadays they are encouraging only Selenium WebDriver only. That is the main reason. Whenever you are comparing with the Selenium RC, Selenium WebDriver having some powerful set of programs. Here is no server. Here is no server like RC. So without without knowing anything, we can learn this Selenium WebDriver nowadays. It is very easy to learn, and using Selenium WebDriver we can perform unlimited testing, not limited. We can perform unlimited testing. That's the reason most of the people and most of the companies nowadays they are encouraging only Selenium WebDriver only. Using Selenium WebDriver we can perform unlimited testing. We can perform unlimited testing. And Selenium WebDriver is very user friendly. Selenium WebDriver is very user friendly. That's the reason most of the people, most of the companies nowadays they are encouraging only Selenium WebDriver. Selenium is nothing but it is a Selenium WebDriver only. Why? Because Selenium RC and Selenium ID both are getting deprecated. Both are getting deprecated. None of the people not using Selenium IE and Selenium RC nowadays. All the companies, all the people they are encouraging, they are using Selenium WebDriver only. Got it, Nagaraj?
Yeah, got it, sir. Yeah.
Right. Last one, Selenium Grid. Roughly we are discussing now. In depth future we will discuss in depth manner.
Okay.
Next, Selenium Grid. Selenium Grid. Selenium Grid is nothing but it is a software which contains some Java programs. Using these programs, we can run the test parallelly on multiple machines. At a time, we can run the test parallelly on multiple machines. We can run the test parallelly on multiple machines. At a time, we can run the test parallelly on multiple machines. If it is single script, if it is multiple scripts, at a time we can run parallelly. So, what is the use, sir? Oh, in order to increase the performance of the execution. If you want to increase the performance of the execution, that time they will use Selenium Grid. Selenium Grid is nothing but it is a software which contains some Java programs. Using these programs, we can run the test parallelly on multiple machines. At a time, we can run in multiple machines. This is the main advantage. Okay. Some of the people they are using Selenium Grid also. Raj, any doubts?
No, sir.
Yeah. If we want to work with Selenium, first of all, we should learn Java. First of all, we should learn Java. I will give you Java software and Eclipse. I will give you Java software and Eclipse also. So, first of all, initially, I will teach you core Java concepts. After that, we can enter into Selenium. Now, we will observe carefully. Just I will give you software. I will give you software. Oh, this is the Java software. I will send you. It will take only 2 minutes. Within 2 minutes, you can install this Eclipse. Only within 2 minutes. If it is any operating system, it will allow you. So it will take only 2 minutes. Within 2 minutes, just if you click on double click, it will install. Within 2 minutes, it will install. That is Java installation. After that, we need to have Eclipse. We need to have Eclipse. So I will give you Eclipse software. No, this is the Eclipse software. Every time we need to run the Eclipse. Open the Eclipse folder. In that we have 13 icons. This is the one of the icon. Just every time we need to click on this Eclipse ball. So we need to run. We need to run Eclipse ball. It will take 1 minute. Within 1 minute, it will install. Each and every time we need to install. Just to double click on it, it will install. Yeah. Just click on welcome. Just close the welcome box. Go this is a welcome box. Just close it. Hmm. Now observe carefully. This is the Project Explorer. This is Project Explorer. This is save button. This is the run button. Save button, run button. This is Project Explorer. This area is called Project. This white area is called Project Explorer. Whenever you are working with the Java, first of all, we need to create project. After creating project, we can get two folders. One is SRC, second one is JRE. Now, right click on SRC, take the package. And right click on package and we can take the class. This is the order. First of all, we need to create project. After that package, after that class. This is the order. Okay. Go to Project Explorer. Right click. Take the new project. After creating project, just click on Java project. Click on next. Give the project name. Nagaraj.
Yeah.
Our project name is Nagaraj.
Yeah.
Click on finish. After creating project, we can get to two folders. One is SRC, second one is JRE. One is SRC, second one is JRE. Right click on SRC, take the new class. Directly we can take the class also. Directly I am taking class. Class name is class 1. Here keep the mark public static void menu. Here keep the mark. After giving the class name, just give the mark. Keep the mark. Click on finish. This is the unwanted statements. Select it, delete it. If you want write anything, here we can write SYSO control space shortcut. It will print to system dot out dot println. Shortcut is SYSO control space. Hi, I'm writing hi. I want to write in next line. SYSO control space. Good evening. Next line, I want to write something. SYSO control space. Monday is bore. Okay, I wrote three statements. Save, click on run. If you click on run, it will run the script. Hi, good evening. Monday is bore. So, if you want comment any line, just simply we can use double backslash. We can comment it. Okay. If you want comment multi lines, if you want comment single line, we will use double backslash. If you want to comment multi line, one backslash, one star, and you want to comment only two lines, then one star, one backslash. If I click run, it will run only Monday is board. Yes, got it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Like this, we can work with Java. Like this, we can work with Java. First of all, we need to create one project. Next, directly I have taken class. Whenever I'm taking class, it will take in default package. Observe carefully. Each and every day, I will teach you. I will show you. Yeah, I didn't take any package. That's the reason it created in default package. It created in default package. Do you know anything about Java?
No, sir.
No, na? Okay, no. No problem. I will teach you very slowly. No need to worry. So, first of all, we need to create one project. After that, we need to create package. Package is not mandatory. If you take direct the class, it will create in default package. It will create in default package. Okay, that is today's session. I will send you the softwares and recorded files also. And Naraj, tell me your preferable time.
Evening 6,
Uh,
evening 6 o'clock.
Evening 6 o'clock. Make it 6:30.
Okay.
Okay, is it okay? 6:30, 6:30, 6:40.
6:30. Yeah.
6:30 to 6:40. Just that time is right now. That slot is empty. Just you can attend in that slot 6:40 India time 6:40.
Okay.
Okay, now I will send you this recorded file and the software. So you need to install in your lab, or after sending the software, I will install in your lab. Just you need to click on Java icon, it will install. Eclipse every time we need to run. Okay, there is no installation installation for Eclipse. Got it?
Mm. Yeah.
I will send you. I will send you now. Just you need to click on Java. First of all, you need to click on Java software. I will send you these two files, this file and Eclipse file. First, you need to click on Java. It will take 2 minutes. Within 2 minutes, you can install. After that, you need to click on Eclipse. Eclipse, just this is a zip format. Just unzip and you can get an icon, and we can every time we need to run the Eclipse. Like for example, I have Eclipse folder. Go here, observe carefully. Here I have Eclipse. Got it? Okay, Eclipse. Did, are you
Mm.
are you getting Naraz?
Yeah. 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 Yeah.
Yeah, double click on it, and then you need to click on Eclipse ball. Tomorrow I will once again I will show you. No need to worry. Just every time we need to run the Eclipse. Java. First of all, we need to install Java. Okay, it will take only 2 minutes. Just click on icon. It will take 2 minutes. Within 2 minutes, it will install. After that, we need to run Eclipse. This is the process. Okay, any doubts?
Yeah. No, sir.
No, I will send you recorded file also. If you have any doubts, you can play back it, sir. Okay. Tomorrow our class timings is 6:40 India time.
Okay.
Okay, Nagaraj?
Yeah.
Yeah, through Skype I will send you. Through Skype I will send you material. Okay, recorded file and
Okay.
today class notes and softwares also I will send you. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. If you
About
have
that,
any doubt,
yeah, my friend asking ISTQB certificate. How to get the ISTQB certificate? If
you want
any
IHQB certificate. అంటే your friend is working in India like in other states.
India,
Hmm?
India.
India. If it is India certification, oh, if you want write the India certification, only 40 questions will be there. 4,500 they are charging. If you want dumps, I can send you dumps. But he need to write. Compulsory he only he self write. He need to write. Okay, if you want any other states, other country certifications, instead of you, somebody will write. Okay.
Okay, okay,
If it is India certification, invigilator will come. So there is no chance to write the exam.
okay.
Okay. And if you want dumps, I can send you.
Yeah,
Okay. Tomorrow we have class India time 6:40. Make it 6:40. If you have any doubt, just keep the message in Skype or just call me. My number 9440 592994. Okay.
okay, okay.
Okay, I will send you Skype and software. Just to accept the file in Skype. Through Skype, I will send you
Okay,
this recorded file and notes and softwares also. Okay.
okay, okay.
Tomorrow our class timing 6:40 India time. Okay.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah. Bye, Nagaraju. Nice talking with you. Have a nice
yeah,
day. Take care. Bye, sir.
yeah. Thank you very much.